Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going through my August monthly and a few extras from Paper Minty Studio. I've really been loving this shop. She has super cute stuff. If you guys hear baby girl in the background, she just woke up, so she's ready to play and do some fun stuff now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through the transparent stickers and the premium matte stickers from her shop, and then I'll open the monthly subscription, or the I don't think this is the premium one, but it is a monthly. I'll let you know somewhere which one this one is. So these are some little fall transparent stickers. So here is the first one. Get like a little cozy chair. That's so cute. Accent for the table. A fall door, some candles, a little window scene, fall colored lights or garlands, pumpkin. So cute. So that's the first one, and then here is the second one. Some fall goodies, a little table there with your tea, some pumpkin pie, some breakfast. It's just so aesthetically pleasing. I love her art. And then I had to pick up some girls ready for fall. So cute and cozy. Some friends walking together, and then she has on her long coat. It's just so cute. And I love the vibe. Can you take these? Oh, you can take these off. Okay, so I got some fall leaves to use as well. But isn't this so cute? Love it. And then I got some of the neutral florals. I always see like the florals on her like washi and stuff. And I always want to like cut out the stickers and use them, but they're drawn on and they're not kiss cut, so you can't use it unless you're putting it on white paper. So that, and then I got fall florals on the transparent sticker sheet as well. Like, this is just really nice to go in your on that Tom river paper. I can't talk. But these are so good. I love this one. Like, I have a white and a gray crocheted basket, and this reminds me of that. I want to get one like this, just a regular brown one now. But that's so cute. I love this. All right, on to the next one. I can't remember what this one is. I think this was just like more of the fall florals. Let's see. Okay, and then we got that freebie again. Romantic fall arrangements. Beautiful. So yes, I love this. I love the darkness in between. I like that. You get some individuals. That's really cute. And then it's like the same thing, but they're like separated. Little pumpkins. I love it. This brown tone that she does, I just love it, and I love how it goes with anything. Like, that color goes with anything. Like she goes lighter and then darker for the fall, and then I think for winter she's gonna do like a blue. And then here is the romantic fall borders. I should have got 2 of these. And I know her shop is gonna be closed, so yeah, I might as well just not even think about it. So yeah, this is really nice. That's really good. And then individuals again, some fall leaves as well. And then, did I show this one already, the bouquets? Yes. So we're back at number 1. So yes, this is, I guess, all of the romantic fall florals. Okay, so I got some more fall girls. You know, I just saw them and I was like, yes, absolutely. Especially like the fall kits that I've been picking up, like they've been like this vibe, and I love that. And I saw this girl here, and she's gonna go perfect with a kit that I picked up from Missing Meow. So yeah, so good. And the florals are cut out. Like they used to just be like the artwork on the back of the sticker, but now you can use them. These thingies aren't, but the florals are. So yes, isn't that so cute, them sitting on the little, what is it, the little tree stump that's falling? That's so fall. And her with her coffee and camera, I just love that. And then look at this. Look at this scene. Like you have the window up and the wind is blowing in. Yes, I love that. And then look at this one. You're inside, you're planning or reading your book or journaling. It can be any of those things. And look at this sweater. Oh my gosh. It's raining on a fall day. I love that. And this outfit is like perfect for Florida because it doesn't even get that cold. So her with the skirt is like a yes. I love that. And we have some goodies and house here. Coffee or tea. I got 2 of those. A little movie ticket or fall festival. Yes, I love that. Candy apple. That is so nice. Bagels, apple pie or pumpkin pie. Love that. And then we have the Hello Pumpkins. I picked up some more stuff too, like to set up my planner, because I hope to be planning for fall before it's over. So yeah, this is so good. Some pumpkins and garlands and a little like park, like if you're going to the park maybe. That's a cute little setup, not to eat, but like just as a setup, you're walking up to it. That's nice. And then we have Autumn Harvest with all of the things, candles and pumpkins and scissors, coffee, a little tree stump with some mushrooms coming out of it, the moon phases. I love this. I'm gonna use this somewhere. That's so nice. All right, so got that. And then let's go ahead and open the monthly. And already this is so nice. I love the artwork for this. Look at her in the little pumpkin patch, throwing up fall leaves, getting some happy mail or sending off some snail mail. Got your coffee and your journaling for the month. That's so nice. I just love the colors too. Even though it's brown, it's like this type of brown. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like it's the type of brown. So look, like this is, I love this. So this is the Studio monthly kit. Okay, and that's like telling you like the theme and everything. Let's put that there. And then we got a little romantic floral die cut. I like the one from last month too. It was like a book bag, and it's a fall thing too. So we got some more girls. Like, I'm telling you, I needed this because of the type of kits that I have from most of the shop. Like, from most of the shops, this is gonna match the vibe. You understand? Like, it's gonna match the vibe. So I have that. And then we have some more girls. Throwing up the leaves. Sitting on the tree stump, going hiking. Beautiful. She's me. Like, I'm cold. Like, no, I won't be throwing up any leaves, but that's cute. And then we have this one with some fall leaves and pumpkins. Quiet fall morning. Some books and tea. The candles. Ah, isn't this theme amazing? I like it. Okay, so we have some fall leaves and trees. I just put her in her walker, so she's like, wait a minute, I want to sit with you. So let me hurry up. So I have I love the little scene here with the wind blowing in, and you see like outside there's the fall trees. I love that. And then we're sending some snail mail and happy mail, journaling, reading. Love to get the little ink for your pen. And then we have our drinks, our fall drinks, coffee, tea, making tea in the kettle, sitting down with your tea. You got your coffee in your hand, nice and warm, a latte. And we have our fall drinks, some Starbucks, some cupcakes and donuts with your coffee, some lattes with your friend, fresh cider, like that. And then you got your little coffee cups there, some donuts. Yes. All right. So we got some more flowers and bouquets on the white paper. Is this the white paper? Oh no, this is the transparent. I'm so happy I got transparent. Yes, I thought this was the white paper because it's so white. Because normally I can't even take it off, but normally when you have like transparent, you see it like the other one that I was showing. But I'm so happy this is transparent. Yes, thank you. I did not realize I picked up transparent, but yes, I am here for it. So yeah, I got the individual flowers. So good. And then we got some more, a little bit more flowers. And what is this, like a trim or border? I think it was, that's what it was called on the other one. Then some stamps. Look how cute the stamps are. The little house. I'm so happy I picked this up. And I still haven't even done a spread. I have to do a spread for you all. Like, I was trying to wait until I'm back at my desk, but I'm gonna have to do a spread. And you get some mini of like everything. Some circles. Come on. I can't see. I'm looking at the phone, but not at the sticker. Okay, so there is the little pumpkin on that transparent. And then we have our vellum. I can put this in my B6. That might be what I have to set up because I want to set something up. I love that. Okay, so now let me show you the washi that I picked up. So this one is the first one with the fall florals. Let me open it. So here is the first one. And then we have this one. Let me open it.